Josh's Snack and Candy reviews here of Push Ups Lollipops. These are the Space Jam's Push Ups Lollipops. So we got Bugs Bunny, Lola Bunny, and Tweety Bird. Tweety. Let's look at these up close, and then we'll see what the flavors of the push-ups are. So this is Bugs Bunny here. What's up, Doc? Lola Bunny. And Tweety Bird. So, start off with my favorite character is the Bugs Bunny. And the flavor of this, well, I'm not going to try these, but, I'll just do the review here. Flavor here is strawberry for the lollipop. This one is cherry, and this one is watermelon. So, you got a choice of 3 flavors, 3 characters. Pretty cool. I bought these at Dollar Tree, and I wasn't expecting to find these. I was like, oh, cool. They had a big package of these at Dollar Tree, so I bought 3 of them. So, I didn't see Daffy Duck or any of the other characters. I only seen 3, so maybe they'll get other characters. I'm not 100% sure, but we got 3 here, so pretty cool. Peace.